Evie! Where's she going? We've been up the sand dunes. She's waiting for me to throw a ball. Just coming! Oh, it's nice soft sand. Been up there. Where have I put your throw thing? I've dropped it, Evie. You're having a nice walk this afternoon, aren't you? There we go, another run, another... Oh, that wasn't very good. She can look for it. Look, where is it, Evie? Where's your ball? Find it. Find it. She's got it.